Interaction among systems, more specifically, organ systems. Systems interact to maintain homeostasis. Each organ system communicates with other organ systems, and what one organ system does will affect the rest of the organ systems within one organism. However, an organ system is responsible for a specific job. To complete that job, organ systems must work together to keep the organism healthy overall. With that in mind, organ systems may work together to produce vitamin D, for example. Thermal regulation plays a key role in maintaining steady body temperature. First, the skin acts as a sensor and absorbs UV light. In our image, we see someone playing soccer. While she is exposed to sunlight, her body is exposed to UV light. Next, the control center or liver produces inactive vitamin D. We can see this because the image is showing where the liver is in that person's body. Next, the communication system or the kidneys produce active vitamin D. You can see the kidneys are right below the liver. Next, and finally, our target organ, this person's bones, receive active vitamin D to strengthen them and keep them healthy. Homeostasis is a loop. However, there may be disruptions in homeostasis, and some of these disruptions may be harmful. Homeostasis may be disrupted in several ways. Homeostasis may be disrupted because sensors fail, targets do not receive the messages, because of some injury, or because of an illness. A short-term disruption in homeostasis will cause little to no harm. The other type of disruption is the long-term disruption in homeostasis, and this may cause more damage. For example, diabetes. This is a serious long-term disruption of homeostasis. First, we see the pancreas cells attacked. Insulin levels decline. Next, blood glucose levels rise. Third, body burns fat, blood becomes more acidic. And finally, cells are impaired and all organs are damaged.